set up. We start punching all these tap cons and go ahead and get this wall run. So it takes most of the time, and then we'll go ahead and get our outside wall set up, built up, stood, and then we'll start setting up our trusses. Already torn down their outside gutter, their old gutter, and the entire lanai system over here. We've installed their new super gutter up top. Looking good, got a nice pitch, did the water test, and she's looking great. So, stay tuned. Boneyard's getting smaller and smaller. Let's get all these bases stood up and go ahead and hang these trusses. Day 3. Got our trusses pre-built. Sean's over here putting our tap screws in. Getting our next bay built and stood so we can get our next truss in the air. We got 2 next trusses built, and that'll be our last bay right there. We got 1 in the air, and that's what she's looking like. Stay tuned. Alright, we are day 4. We rocking out here. We got much left out there in the boneyard. The fellas are building the sidewalls right now. We got our last truss over here pre-built. Angel's over here locking in our 1x2 to our eave member. That'll be our last wall for this side. What's she looking like? Life is good, baby. Stay tuned. Alright, we're coming to the end of the project. We've got all our brace bars in, all our gutters, and all of our downspouts, support beams. Switched their mind, decided they want something stronger down here. Got your door installed. Everything lines up the way it's supposed to. You notice there's no gaps on the sides. And all the way down, that's how it's supposed to line up. All you call.